Good morning, children. Today again I am revising the little raindrop story. Okay, once again learn that story, dears. Now see here, this lesson is about a little raindrop. See here, see, a pretty flower is there on tiny raindrop. Some trees are here, a bright sun is here in the sky, clouds are here, some mountains. See here, the water is flowing down. Now see here, grass is also here in this scenery. Now this story is about this little raindrop. Now this little raindrop was okay, children, this little raindrop, the little raindrop of water sat on a pretty flower. This flower is very nice, no? It's a pretty flower. Soon the sun rised up in the sky. It started for this raindrop, it's very hot. It feels very hot to the raindrop. Just then she feel that the air was lifting her up to the clouds like this. See here, by seeing this picture you can understand. See here, the wind was lifting up. Now she started feeling cool there. She was surprised more and more raindrops are there. Here see, she was surprised that more and more raindrops are there. All these raindrops come close to each other. You can see the raindrops there, children? Yes, all these raindrops come close to each other. All these raindrops are there, no? And then get ready to leave the cloud and come down. The little drop was worried because it's coming down again. Okay? It was coming down. Now it came again down, again down. It came down and landed on where she landed? She landed on a little girl's hand. She landed on a little girl's hand. Oh, what a pretty raindrop, said the girl. Now, just then, the wind blew the little raindrop. Okay, children, see once. Now, see in this picture. Just then, the wind blew the little raindrop right from the girl's hand. The raindrop landed on another pretty flower here. Again, raindrop landed on another pretty flower. Now, the raindrop was very happy because again she is getting ready to go back to the clouds. Again, she will go up to the sky. Okay, children, did you enjoy the story? Very good. Once again, children, have a nice day and take care, dears. Bye.